Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off press side key to end calls on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the more button at the top. From the pop-up menu, tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on answering and ending calls. Here, tap on press side key to end calls. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Once it is turned on, during the call, to end the call, you can press on the side key. Okay, so here I have an incoming call, and during the call, I can either press on this red button or I can press on the side button to end the call. Okay, so here, if I press on the side button, the call will be ended. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.